Rakuten only pays cashback when you start your shopping through its link or browser extension, while Ibotta and Fetch Rewards pay you after you scan receipts or activate offers inside the app. That difference decides how much you actually earn, because Rakuten is passive only if you remember to click first, while the other two work after the purchase is already done. By the end of this, you'll know which app pays the most overall, which one is easiest to use daily, and which one is worth keeping if you only want one. Start with Rakuten because it works completely differently from the other two. Rakuten is best for online shopping. You open the app or browser extension, activate cashback, then shop through the link. If you skip that activation step, you don't get paid. The upside is that it requires almost no effort during checkout, but it only works when you plan ahead. Ibotta is built for grocery and in-store shopping. You select offers before or after buying, then scan your receipt to earn cash back. It covers a wider range of everyday stores, but it depends on you remembering to activate or submit the receipt correctly. That's where most missed earnings happen. Fetch Rewards is the simplest of the three. You just scan any grocery receipt and earn points automatically. It doesn't require selecting offers in advance, which makes it easier, but the trade-off is usually lower value per receipt compared to targeted offers on Ibotta. Now compare them directly in real-world use. Rakuten tends to be strongest for big online purchases like electronics or travel bookings, because percentage-based cash back applies to higher cart values. Ibotta tends to outperform for grocery shopping when you consistently activate high-value offers before checkout. Fetch is the most consistent for casual users who don't want to think about offers at all. The real deciding factor is behavior. If you shop online and remember to activate links, Rakuten fits best. If you regularly grocery shop and don't mind selecting deals, Ibotta gives better returns. If you want the lowest effort option, Fetch wins even if it pays less per receipt. To wrap it up, Rakuten is best for online shopping. Ibotta is strongest for targeted grocery savings, and Fetch is the easiest but lowest effort system. The next step is simple. Choose the app that matches how you already shop, not the one that sounds best on paper. If you want more breakdowns like this, like the video and subscribe for clear comparisons that actually help you save money.